Lastly, I want to draw attention to our dear sisters, our mothers, our daughters. As I have already mentioned, this particular focus is with you. That perfect religion has its justice and hikmah. Certain things, if we do not realize it is our weakness, and we give into the values of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that He guided His Messenger sallallahu alayhi wasallam with and given us advice. From his golden advice, Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, as mentioned by Abu Hurairah radiallahu anhu, if they do 4 things, they will be successful. And a woman who does her 5 daily prayers, fasts her month of Ramadan, and guards her chastity and her obeying her husband in the obedience of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Listen to this, my dear sisters, mothers, aunties and daughters, that she will enter the paradise from any gate she wants. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, La ilaha illallah, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Walillahil hamd.